In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a sales pipeline for freelancers. This is an essential tool that can help you organize, track, and manage your freelancing business more efficiently. So, let's dive right in. First, you want to begin by opening your go-to workspace, Notion. This is where all your projects, documents, and various wiki entries are easily accessible. If you haven't yet set up Notion, you can sign up on their website. Once you've navigated to Notion, you'll need to log in. Click on the Login button and enter your credentials to access your workspace. If you're new to Notion, take this moment to explore their onboarding section, which offers a great introduction to all the powerful tools available to you. Now, let's proceed to the Notion home. It's your main dashboard, where you can have an overview of your workspace and all its features. Once you're at the home page, look towards the Templates section. Templates are a time-saving feature of Notion, offering pre-made pages and workflows that you can customize to your needs. Within the Templates section, you'll want to search for Sales Pipeline. Notion provides a variety of templates to choose from, tailored to different types of projects and businesses. Once the search results populate, skim through the options and select a template that aligns with your freelancing needs. When you've found the perfect template, select it by clicking on it. This will open up a preview of the template, where you can get a better look at its structure and features. If it meets your needs, go ahead and click on the Add button. This step adds the template directly into your Notion workspace for you to customize. Now comes the fun part: editing the template to suit your personal or professional style. This sales pipeline template is flexible, allowing you to modify every section of it. You can change text, adjust columns, and input specific details tailored to your freelancing business, such as client names, project stages, and deadlines. I recommend spending some time familiarizing yourself with each section of the template so that your sales pipeline becomes a true reflection of your workflow. And there you have it, a basic sales pipeline set up for freelancers using Notion. It's important to regularly update your pipeline so it always reflects your current projects and keeps you on track. Thanks for following along with me today. Remember, a well-maintained sales pipeline can be a game changer for freelancers, helping you stay organized and efficient. Happy freelancing, and see you next time.